Welcome to this updated tutorial on setting up the Millopal 3D product viewer app for your Shopify store. Today I will walk you through the complete process from installing the app to adding your 3D models and seeing them live on your product pages. This app lets you showcase interactive 3D product views with 360-degree rotation, zoom and full screen mode, giving customers much better understanding of your products and boosting purchase confidence. With its simple setup and powerful features, it's perfect for furniture, electronics, fashion, cosmetics and any product that benefits from detailed 3D experience. Let's get started. I have already installed the app, so let's just open the app and do the setup. So this is the home page of Millopal 3D product viewer app. Let's first create an account. What to do is enter username and email and click on create an account. That's it, account has been created successfully. Now let's move back to the home page. Here we have a user guide with step-by-step instructions. The app is now ready to configure. First we have to do is activate the theme app embed. When you click on this button, it will redirect you to the app embed and it will enable for you automatically, and all you have to do is click on save. I have already saved it, so let's move back to the home page again. Next step is configure the 3D viewer settings. Here you can customize how the 3D viewer appears on your product pages. First setting is license and status, and in that there is a serial key which will automatically generate once you create an account. And status, all you have to do is enable it. Next step is additional options and features. First is enable full screen view. Set yes, which is recommended, so customer can view the 3D model in full screen. Next is global 3D icon. You have to choose icon for your 3D image. Next feature is other features. Choose your preferred interaction mode from the drop down. Popular options are including normal, auto rotate, auto zoom in, zoom out and rotate, manual controls and adjust metalness and roughness. I am selecting auto zoom in, zoom out and rotate. Next is width and height. Set the size of the 3D viewer container. Leave both fields blank for automatic responsive sizing, or enter values like 500 etc. if you want a fixed size. Once all of these settings are done, click on this save settings button and all the settings are saved successfully. Next step is choose the products. Now in this you will see a list of products with their images. For any product, if you want to add a 3D view to, click to the upload 3D file button next to it. Let's just upload the 3D file in here, this product. First you have to name of the product or 3D image and upload the 3D file, which containing .gltf or .glb format in zip format, and click on save 3D model. That's it, 3D model saved successfully. You can view the 3D model by clicking on this view icon to preview the 3D image. Is it working correctly or not? As you can see, it shows perfectly. You can edit it from click on this edit button and delete the 3D image as well. Next step is bulk upload. For adding 3D models to many products at once, use this bulk product or bulk upload feature. You can upload the zip file by clicking on this click to browse. For example, I am uploading these two zip files and click on upload. Last updated files, public, my chair and plants, both are uploaded successfully. Now you have to do is prepare the CSV. You can check the CSV file by clicking on this download sample CSV. This is the CSV file. All you have to do is fill out this information: product ID, shop name and path which we already added here, public mychar and public plants, and product ID you will get from product edit, and shop name without www, and name of the model, whatever you want to set. That's it. And then you have to upload. Click to browse the sample file and click on upload, and it will automatically upload all the 3D files corresponding to these product images. That's it. All the work on the admin panel is done. Now let's check how it looks on your actual store. First, let's go to the store. Let's go to the product page. As you can see, your thumbnail icon is coming here. All you have to do is click on it. It works perfectly and showing the 3D image. You can show the full screen view by clicking on this button. You can rotate it. That's it. Everything works smoothly on desktop and as well as in mobile. Some final tips: always test with both logged in and guest users. Make sure the 3D model files are optimized, not too heavy, for best loading speed. And you can update or remove 3D models anytime from choose product page. That's it. You have successfully set up the Milopal 3D product viewer app. Please like, share and subscribe.